Hello everyone, we are Colonel Crew. In a rural and semi-urban India, preventive healthcare awareness is often missing. Imagine a mother in a small village. She doesn't know when her child's next vaccination is due or what to do when fever suddenly spreads in her area. Reliable health information is either too late, too complex, or simply out of reach. This is the gap that we are solving. We are building a multilingual AI healthcare chatbot accessible via SMS, WhatsApp, and a mobile app. SMS ensures reach even in the remotest areas without internet, and WhatsApp provides easy access for semi-urban communities already familiar with it. The mobile app enables richer features and offline FAQs, so people get health guidance even without connectivity. Our vision is simple, making preventive healthcare information universal, real-time, and multilingual. A user types or speaks a query. If spoken, then Sarvam.ai converts speech to text. If written in a regional language, it is translated into English. The input then passes through a decipher note. If the query is irrelevant to healthcare, the user gets a polite query not irrelevant response. If relevant, it moves to the chat node, which is intelligent brain of a system. The chat node is built on LangChain with a modular pipeline that ensures personalization, real-time updates, and accuracy. It connects to three databases and processes every query in 5 steps. First is context retrieval, which is PostgreSQL integration, stores users' profile, vaccination history, last queries, and region. Ensures responses are personalized and context aware. For example, if a user asked about polio earlier, it can remind them of the next vaccine due instead of repeating generic answers. Health Data Connector or Government Database connects securely to government APIs with outbreaks alerts. In cases in the district crosses a threshold, it triggers automatic SMS and WhatsApp broadcasts to that area. Or vaccination schedules, upcoming drives are linked with regional IDs, so reminders are sent area-wise to the right audience. Now, Knowledge Engine, vector database, stores embeddings of verified medical sources like WHO and ICMR guidelines. Uses semantic search for fetching the most relevant health information for a query. For example, a dengue query retrieves verified symptom clusters instead of relying only on the LLM. Response synthesizer, LLM orchestration, merges output from PostgreSQL, government database, and FAISs. It uses a React-style land graph agent to reason across multiple sources before generating a final response. This guarantees the answer is grounded, accurate, and contextual. Output validator or guardrails. It runs a safety filter to block unsafe or misleading advice. For example, it prevents self-medication responses and instead directs user to contact health workers. Together, this architecture makes the chatbot not just a chatbot, but an AI health reasoning engine. Clone jobs scan government databases for outbreak and vaccination updates. Alerts are broadcast automatically through Twilio and WhatsApp Business API. Redis caching handles repeated queries instantly, reducing latency and LLM cost. All orchestration is handled by LangChain, keeping the pipeline modular and efficient. So we monitor at two different levels. Chatbot monitoring with Langsmith tracks response time, latency, token usage, and cost. And impact monitoring with an admin portal shows users reach, top health queries asked, vaccination reminders sent, and outbreak alert delivered. This ensures both technical reliability and social impact measurement. For front end, we use Next.js with Material UI, which reacts native for mobile. For backend, we use LangChain, PostgreSQL, FAISs, Redis caching, JWT authentication, and for integrations, we use Servam AI for speech to text and language translation, Twilio and WhatsApp Business API, Langsmith for monitoring, and Gemini API for LLM. Ops and deployment. We use Dockerized microservices on AWS ECS with auto-scaling, GitHub Actions for CI/CD, cron jobs for automation. And for security, we use TLS encryption and normalized analytic, role-based access control. This design allows us to scale from small pilot deployments to a nationwide platform. So our expected outcome is to achieve 80% accuracy in answering health queries validated with medical expert test sets and 20% increase in preventive awareness measured by survey feedback, engagement, and vaccine reminders, open rates, community-wide outbreaks, and vaccination alerts, reducing risk of delayed response. So what makes Kernel Crew stand out? That is our decipher node that filters irrelevant queries, saving cost, and three database integration, personalization, real-time, government update, and verified medical knowledge. Area-specific broadcast for both outbreaks and vaccination, and offline and multilingual support, ensuring inclusivity. Dual monitoring for both technical and social outcomes. This is not just a chatbot, it is a health awareness ecosystem, and in the future, it can expand into telemedicine, connecting users to health workers when escalation is needed. So, we are Kernel Crew, and together we are making preventive healthcare universal, real time, and multilingual. Thank you.